Hey guys, today a new video. I know it's been a while, but I've been busy working on projects behind the screens, including this one. So I've been building some applications on my own hosted server, and one of them is an AI voice agent. And I'm going to provide more and more providers. Currently, we have an integration with 11 labs, and just today, we've released, at least for testing purposes, OpenAI real-time voice assistants. So that means that you can have a widget like the one in the bottom, can be styled a little bit more, of course. This is just the first prototype that you can enable on your websites. Users can interact with it. You can have conversations based on the input that you have here. So I have an example that will be going through in just a few moments, and that will allow for a much more interactive experience between a business and a customer, right? Being able to do a voice calling without actually touching the phone, just on the website itself, is free for the user and it's easy and accessible as well. So, as an example, I made a persona called Chat working at Pizza Hut, and you are to take orders, right? Take on orders by phone. You are to guide the user throughout the order by following the guidelines and business data presented. Then for the guidelines for responses, we have basically the following in place. So always reply in first person. Firstly, introduce yourself and ask the user if they would like to order. Then when the user's ready, then ask them for the pizza type, then for the pizza size, pizza toppings, any drinks, do they want to have a pickup and delivery, and so on and so on. You can pause the video if you really want to see the entire script basically outlined inside of this box. And then for the business data, we basically have a pricing list, right? So business data, a pizza type, which are available, pizza sizes with their pricing, pizza toppings, and drinks. Can make it as advanced as you want to. This was just for testing purposes. So let's make a call and let's see if it goes well. For the voices, these are all OpenAI voice models. So these are automatically being pulled in. As soon as new models will be added by OpenAI, those will dynamically populate here. But let's go with this one. In case I did make any changes, let's save it. Okay, perfect. Now let's say start a call. Hey, anyone there?
Hey there, you've reached Pizza Hut. This is Chad speaking. Would you like to place an order today?
Hey, Chad. Yes, please.
Great. What type of pizza would you like ordered? We've got Hawaiian, vegetarian, and margarita.
Let's do a margarita.
Awesome choice. Now, what size would you like? We've got small, 4 slices for $8, medium, 8 slices for
Let's
$12.
do a medium pizza, please.
Sure thing. Would you like to add any toppings to your medium margarita pizza? We have extra cheese for 30 cents, extra sauce for 20 cents, and mushrooms for 25 cents.
Let's do extra cheese and an extra sauce.
Got it. Extra cheese and extra sauce on your medium margarita pizza. Would you like to add any drinks to your order?
Which one do you have?
We have water, Coke, and orange juice. Which one would you like to add to your order?
Let's do 2 Coke and 1 orange juice, please.
Perfect. Your order now includes a medium margarita pizza with extra cheese and extra sauce, 2 Cokes, and 1 orange juice. Would you like to pick up your order or have it delivered?
Can you tell me how much is the total?
Of course. Let's break it down. Medium margarita
No,
pizza?
no, that's not necessary. I just want to know the total.
Gotcha. Your total is $19. Would you like to proceed with your order?
Yes, please.
Great. Will you be picking up your order or would you like it delivered? If delivery, I'll need your address.
Okay, so let's do delivery, please.
Sure, I can arrange that for you. Could you please provide your delivery address?
Yes, that's 123 Avenue Lane.
Thank you. And will you be paying with cash or by card?
Cash, is that fine?
Got it. You'll be paying with cash. Here's the summary of your order. Medium margarita pizza with extra cheese and extra sauce. 2 Cokes, 1 orange juice. Your total comes to $19 and it'll be delivered to 123 Avenue Lane. The delivery guy will send a message as soon as he's on his way. Thanks for ordering with us, and I hope you enjoy your pizza.
Thanks, Chad. Have a nice day. How cool is that, right? So this was just one scenario. You can create multiple scenarios. Currently, there's only one voice AI agent present here, but we will have buttons where you can basically create multiple voice AI agents and then use them inside of your websites. So I think this is a really, really cool use case, opens up a ton of potential. And next week, we're also going to add a functionality to it where all the details captured, like this order from a pizza, right? Pizza order, will then be basically transferred by means of a webhook. That means that you can have all the address details, the order details transferred over webhook towards your chatbots. Maybe you have an existing chatbot that can process the order, send out the notifications, and much, much more. So this is a really, really fun project and a ton of potential, and I'm going to add much more features in the coming weeks. But the first initial signs are really, really good, and I'm just having fun trying out different kinds of use cases. So I will share more kinds of use cases with you next week when I am testing them out. I will record them as well, and then you should have a little bit more insight as to how voice AI can help you, your business, or that of your clients drive more leads and more conversions. For now, have a great weekend. Take care, and I will talk to you really, really soon.